Welcome to my YouTube channel and welcome to another simple tutorial video here. And today I'm going to show you how you can change the phone number on your Facebook. And without any delay, let's start our video. First of all, go to your Facebook application, and in here just click your profile icon on top of your right. Click here, and here click the gear icon, that is the setting icon. Here click here, and now here you can see more in account center. Click that option, and now go to personal details, and here you can see the contact information. Click that option here, and now this is my email and also my previous phone number. First of all, I need to add my new phone number. To add it, just click here, add new contact here, and select add mobile number here, and now give your new mobile number that you want to add. I'm just giving my new number, and just select your profile. Just I'm going to change it for this profile. Select it and click next, and after that a confirmation code will come to your mobile number, and just enter it here and click next, and it will be added. And now if you want to delete your previous phone number, just click that phone number on here, and here you can see the delete option. Just delete it. Just click the delete option, and your number will be deleted from your profile. And in this way you can change your phone Facebook phone number pretty easily. So this is the video, and I hope this video helps you, and if this video helps you, consider subscribing to my channel, and I will catch you guys on the next one.